Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. Can't say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, I'm in my
What is good, y'all? It's your girl Trippy, and I'm back at it again with another video. So as you guys can tell from this title, this is definitely going to be a what's in my bag. This one is more of like right now it's my everyday purse, but I'm going to change it up soon, I want to say. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nay. If you're not new to my channel, welcome back. It's always good to see you guys come back. Make sure you go ahead and hit that big subscribe button for me, because like I said before, we are on the road to 1K, period. Okay, so just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you guys on the team, and so would everybody else. So you know, just go ahead and hit that button. Before we get started with this video, I do want to do a pretty quick disclaimer about obviously the bag that I'm going to be doing. This is like one of Louis Vuitton's like staple bags. Everyone loves these bags, but unfortunately they have discontinued this bag. I just recently found out that they did discontinue this bag, which is the Louis Vuitton Damier Ebene Favorite PM. The Damier Ebene is the canvas, which I'm gonna show you guys everything right now. But I just wanted to do like a big disclaimer really quick. So if you are on the lookout for this bag, the only way you can really get it is pre-loved bags, which I will leave some pre-loved websites down below for you guys, which means that, like, second-hand bags, pretty much people who are selling their luxury handbags. Or you can call the stores. I know some stores might still have some. It's very like slim to none that they're gonna have any, but they are also discontinuing the MM size as well, which the MM size you can still find on their website. PM you definitely cannot find on the website anymore. Like, even if you go to the Louis Vuitton website and search it, if you type in favorite PM, it will not pop up. The only one that will pop up is the favorite MM. I don't know if they have already discontinued the MM yet, but I know they did say that they are thinking of discontinuing that one as well. So yeah, I just wanted to do like a quick little disclaimer. So just in case you guys really do want this bag, I would say definitely call the Louis Vuitton stores, and then also go on like the pre-loved websites and see who are selling them, because I'm sure a lot of people probably are selling their bag now. Let's get straight into this video. So this is the Louis Vuitton Favorite PM. Y'all, I cannot tell y'all how bad I wanted this bag. A lot of people who know me know that I do not like big bags like that, really. So anything small, like crossbody, is definitely my thing. I do have a couple of like big bags that I actually do like to use, but I'm trying to get into totes, but I don't know if I really am or not. But yeah, you guys, so this is my baby right here. This is the Louis Vuitton Favorite PM. And I just love this bag because it's just literally, it's the smallest size. So if you go to the website and you type in PM, you'll see PM and you'll see MM. MM is the medium size, PM is the smallest size, and then GM is usually the biggest size. They do not have a GM of the Favorite, only a PM and an MM. The MM is pretty big, but this PM is, to me, I thought it was pretty big for a to be the smallest bag out of like their brand. This still holds a lot of stuff, and I freaking love it. So the inside is pretty much like this, and then you can kind of see a little bit of what I have in here already. I love this cherry red interior on the Damier Ebene, like that brown, like, I don't know, I love like that red interior. So then it has like the gold hardware, and it just says Louis Vuitton Paris, all that. Then you have the stitching on the back, which I thought was pretty cute. So they have this long strap here. Let me back up a little bit. So they have the long strap, and then they also have the gold clasp, which I don't have mine connected to the other side, but you could wear it literally two ways. Let me attach it really quick. So like, you could literally wear this bag two different ways. You could wear it crossbody, or you could just wear it like with the gold chain. I freaking love it like this too. This is like super cute. I rarely ever use it because sometimes I don't really want to carry the bag like this, which you could just carry. Obviously you would take the long strap off, but you could definitely wear it like that. I don't really wear it like that often, so my gold piece is pretty much in there. But like if I'm going like on a cute little like a date or something, I would definitely grab this bag. Like if it's like date night with my boo, probably definitely just grab this bag. But then what I like is that you could just put it back in here, close it, put your strap on, and there you go. I like to wear it with the long strap. What I can say is that, like, so you have a clip right here, and then there is no clip on this side. So when I tell y'all I was so confused on how to get this to like actually hook on, I had to go to YouTube and figure out how to put that on, because I did not. I thought it would be two straps. I guess that is what makes the bag different, is that of course you're gonna have a clasp on one. Most purses come with two clasps. I guess this one just comes with the clasp, and then this other one where you have to pretty much kind of like tie it. But anyways, that's pretty much like all the specs of this bag. It's not really much to get into about this bag. This does come in the monogram. It comes in the damier bean, which is this one, and then the damier azur, which is the white one with like, I want to say, is that blue? It's the white color, like checkered one. So those are the three options you have, and then you have the PM or the MM, which now PM is now discontinued, unfortunately. So now I'm going to get into what's inside of my bag. It's really not much in here, only because I don't really carry a lot. So when you open it, it has a magnetic you know, like closure, which I really like that. Then you open it, and then you can see kind of like what's in there. Obviously it's like literally not much. So, and it only has like one compartment, which is right here, which is where I keep all of my cards. So like this little stack right here is literally all my cards, like debit cards, credit cards, my ID, insurance cards, and then of course like I keep my loyalty cards for like some of these places. Like I have a loyalty card for Bahama Bucks, CJ's, Italian Ice Cream, and Boology. And I think my girlfriend has the rest of our loyalty cards. Like we love to go to some of these places. So that's what's in that small compartment. I just thought I'd get that one out the way because there's really not much in there. So then I have my phone, of course. Now this is the iPhone 11 Pro, and it fits in here perfectly. I just really love how this is like the small bag and it fits my big phone. So the next thing that I have in here is like receipt. Like I said, this is a receipt from Jamba Juice. You know, gotta get my green smoothie. So that's that. Then I have some Vaseline, which is like what I use as for chapstick. This is what I use. This one is the Rosy Lips. Just have some chapstick in there just in case, because sometimes I don't want to wear lip gloss. So I'll just wear like some Vaseline. And then next thing that I have in here is this for my lashes, because I do have extensions on my lashes. So I just go ahead and like to, you know, I keep my little brush in there, my little mascara wand in there, which is, they give it to me, so I could just brush my lashes, you know, when they are like all messy and ugly and stuff. So that's in there. Then I have a pen. My mom always taught me to just always have a pen in your purse, because you never know, because you could go to some places and you need to sign something or write something and they don't have a pen. So it's just always good to have a pen in your purse. And then so this is my work key for the office. Now I actually have another set of keys, which is actually in my desk at work, but it's literally on a lanyard, like a Nike lanyard, and that fits in here as well. Like it's crazy. And I got a lot of keys on that one, but I keep those ones in the office and I keep this one with me. And then obviously I keep my house keys in there, but they're like in the tray on our entry table. Like all the keys, car keys and all that stuff is like in there. It's not in my purse right now, but that's I normally do have that stuff in my purse, which all of this fits in here. So now I literally have what else is in here? Oh, I have a hair tie, just in case, you know, you never know, you might want to put your hair up. So have a hair tie. And then I literally have 3 different lip things. So I have my Fenty Beauty lip gloss, which this one is in the Fenty Glow. This is like one of my favorite Fenty lip glosses. She did come out with 3 new ones, and I need to go check those ones out. But I have lip gloss in here. Lips always gotta stay good. Then I have a liquid lipstick, which is, this is like one of my favorite nude liquid lipsticks. But this is like one of my favorite nude liquid lipsticks. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This came in a collection. I want to say this is like the holiday collection, I think. They just had it around the holiday times. I don't think this is a holiday collection, but I don't know. But this one is the liquid lipstick in Peachy. And then I have another lip gloss, which I really like this one because I don't know if you guys can tell. Let me see. There you guys go. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has like shimmers in it. So I really like that. I like this. And it kind of goes on, like it has like a tint color to it, but then at the same time it's kind of like clear, at least on me. This one is in the shade Summer Vibes. I really like this one too. And then that's literally everything that's in my bag. That is my everyday bag. I don't like to carry around big, bulky bags, really. At least not for everyday. But I love that one because I can literally wear it 3 different ways. So like I was saying, you could wear it 3 different ways, which is this way, which is over the shoulder. You could also wear it crossbody, which this is my favorite way to wear the bag. And lastly, you could wear it with the gold strap across right over your arm, like a nice night. All right, you guys, so that is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thought I'd do something different. I never do like a what's in like my bag type thing, so I decided to go ahead and do that for you guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting me and rocking with me, and don't forget to hit that big subscribe button for me. And make sure you hit that bell notification so you're notified every single time that I upload a video. But yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.